This is Kassian from NetApp Instacluster, and today we're going to talk about building a hybrid search pipeline in OpenSearch. When you search with only keyword matching, you miss semantic intent. And when you only use semantic methods, you can miss exact matches users care about. Hybrid combines both signals into one ranked result set. In this walkthrough, we'll build a hybrid search pipeline in OpenSearch using public Gutenberg book data. We'll cover the three architecture layers: ingest, index, and post-processing. Then we'll run a hybrid query, all end-to-end in Python. The code link is in the description if you'd like to follow along. The first thing I'll look at is an ingest pipeline for our book data. This is where raw text is transformed into searchable signals. In this demo, the ingest pipeline uses a neural sparse model to generate sparse vector features from book summary text. That means every index document is automatically enriched for semantic retrieval. Now that our ingest pipeline is ready, it's time to move on to index design. The index stores both lexical and semantic fields concerning books. We keep text fields for efficient keyword search and a sparse vector field for semantic search. Third, post-processing. Hybrid subqueries return scores on different scales, so we normalize and combine them into one ranked list. In this pipeline, scores are min-max normalized and fused with a weighted arithmetic mean, creating one coherent rating. Now let's walk over the script flow. First, we create the OpenSearch client and test connectivity. Next, we load the cached sample data if it exists. Otherwise, we fetch it from the Project Gutenberg website and save it locally. Next, we apply ML cluster settings that allow us to register external models to our OpenSearch cluster and allow our demo to run. Then, the code will resolve or create the model group that will contain the sparse neural model. Then, the script registers and deploys the sparse model. This takes a few seconds to a minute in practice. Next, we create the ingest pipeline, search score normalization pipeline, create the index, and bulk index documents. Finally, now that our data is in place and enriched, we will run the hybrid query and print top hits. The hybrid query returns two retrieval signals: a match query for lexical relevance and a neural sparse query for semantic matching. OpenSearch runs both, then the search pipeline fuses scores before returning results. Hybrid search helps teams handle real-world query diversity, especially across documentation, Q&A systems, and enterprise knowledge bases, where exact terms and semantic meaning both matter. Your key takeaway here: hybrid search is more than just a query. It's ingest time enrichment, index design, and query time score fusion all working together. Check out the code, run the pipeline, and more on the NetApp Instacluster platform free trial today. Link in the description. Thanks for watching.